I need to SSH. I am user now 120. I need to log into the computer 157 173 101 159, and my password, I will just copy it from there, paste it, and tada, I logged in. After I logged in, I check what I have here. I currently have Workspace. So yeah, I'm going to remove it because I need to start afresh with you. So I remove everything that I have in Workspace. But before I remove it, there is an important text I don't want to lose. Because in the previous teaching, I had created a profile and I don't want to repeat myself. So I will show you what I wrote. I don't want to start from scratch, at least on the profile side. So in Docs, I had created the profile, and if I show the content cut of the profile, you will see I wrote a lot, my name and my email. I don't want to write, so I will copy and paste it somewhere. And I will need to go back. Okay, now that I saved the important thing I had, I can go back and go ahead, remove, because it's a directory. I will need to add that option R, and Workspace, bye bye. I loved you, but so it's gone now. We have no Workspace, so we can start from scratch and create Workspace now. So we mkdir Workspace. I created it. I check with ls always. Created. I navigate inside the Workspace. Nothing inside. I created 3 folders: docs, scripts, logs. Created? I don't know. Let's check. ls. Created. A question? Yes.
Making docs, scripts, and logs, when you put commas, is there any change? Can it put?
Like
Putting commas in docs, comma, scripts, comma.
let's try it. I'm going to remove all. There are directories, so it asks me to add. Okay. Let's respect his suggestion. Let's say we want to add comma. Let's see what it created. It created one directory called docs, script, logs. So space is a go. Comma is a no go. Remove a directory called docs, script, docs. Yes. It works. Like the docs. You check. Make the scripts. Check. Make the logs. Check. Same results. Clear? Okay, now that we have created docs, logs, and scripts, let me go ahead and create a profile in docs. There are two ways. There is creating it immediately, much like in nano, and in docs I create profile.txt. I can do it this way. It works. But if I want, I can change directly to docs, and in docs I do nano profile. It works both ways. So, as I told you, I was a little bit lazy profession. I was a little bit lazy and I didn't want to retype everything. So I select, I go there, I paste, save, yay. Okay, I try to check if my data is saved. Great, I am good to go. So, where am I? PWD. I am in Workspace docs, but I want to go to scripts. How do I get there? I go back from docs. I am now with the double dots. I am now in Workspace, and I can combine in a single command to go immediately to scripts. If you want, you can do it in the two commands, but I can make it into one command. Where am I now in scripts? I can check by PWD. I am there. And in the notes, it says, what do you do when you get there? You create a script called hello.sh, and from it, you write a command print or echo hello from the current user. Okay. So I am here. I create using nano. I create a file called hello, which is shell type, and in which I write the command echo hello from the current user. $user, this is a keyword to tell the system you can find the current user. If I want, I can tell it to print something else, but let's limit ourselves to a single command today as a part of the guide. You can print more if you want. You can write more commands if you want. For example, if I want, I can tell it to print something else like this is a happy day. This is a happy day. Please echo this is a happy day. Like, yeah, happy day. So I like we do when we are exiting. Yeah. And we are kind of done, but this is a shell file. I need to make it executable using chmod. Chmod plus x small letter. I am making it executable, much like you see setup.exe in Windows. Now it's executable. I run it using dot slash. Dot slash is to run hello. When I run it, it runs those commands. It prints the username, the current user, and it prints this is a happy day. And I get back home. I try to tree Workspace and see the file structure. It's exactly this according to the expected output.